In today's video, I'm going to teach you a few easy ways to delete slides in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you're cleaning up a deck, removing duplicates, or trimming content before a presentation, these methods will help you work quickly while staying in control. And remember, if you make a mistake, you can always undo your last action. Start by looking at the thumbnail pane on the left side of your screen, the small previews of your slides. That's where we'll do our editing. My favorite method is to right-click on the slide you want to remove and choose Delete Slide from the menu. I prefer this because it feels intentional. You take a moment to confirm you're on the correct slide, then commit. That pause helps prevent accidental deletions. While you're in the right-click menu, take a glance at the options for sections. Sections act like an outline inside PowerPoint, helping you organize and navigate larger presentations more easily, which can be especially helpful when you're tidying up. If you want to move faster, there's a handy access key built into that same menu. Right-click the slide, then press the letter D on your keyboard. You'll notice a small letter indicator next to Delete Slide that shows this shortcut. It's quick, and you still get that right-click confirmation step, which keeps things precise. Another straightforward option is to select the slide and press the Delete key on your keyboard. The Backspace key works as well. This is great when you're in a rhythm, but be careful. Make sure only the slide you intend to remove is selected. You'll know a slide is selected when it has a highlighted border in the thumbnail pane. If multiple slides are highlighted, you could delete more than you planned. That's the main reason I often stick with the right-click method. When you need to delete several slides at once, hold down the Control key and click each slide you want to remove. Each slide you click will become highlighted, and if you change your mind, Control-click again to deselect it. Once your selection looks correct, right-click on any one of those selected slides and choose Delete Slide. PowerPoint will remove all of them in one go, which makes cleanup fast and efficient. That's all there is to it. Simple, intentional, and effective. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.